Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in this section we are going to learn how to load our deviations into our wells. And with the data set that I'm having deviations for two wells. I'm having deviations for well K3 and well K6, and I'm going to load those deviations and display them for you. So before you load the deviation, I want to show you how the well displays in my well header. So when I take my wells, these are the positions of the wells. You see, though it is in 3D, but you can't really see anything in them. We just see the positions, or let me say the tops of those wells. So we are going to load our deviations into them, then we see how it goes. So to load your deviation, I'll click on my K3, which I have a deviation file for. I'll right click on it. I'll choose import on selection. I'll go back, look for my data set, which is my data set A. I'll change my file type to file well path or deviation. After changing it to well path or deviation, still nothing shows, so I have to go back and reopen my folder. I'll choose my K3 deviation, then I'll click on open. After opening, the software saw what is in my deviation file. So the K3 deviation file has an MD, a deviation, and a direction. The software saw that the MD is at column 1, which is right. The inclination, which is the deviation, is at column 2, which is also right. And the azimuth, which is the direction, is at column 3. But over here, the software chose column 8. So we have to fix that and make it 3. After that, we will click OK for all to load our deviation. So when you look in under our K3 compared to K4, you see that we have an MD inclination azimuth survey 1. So our deviation has been loaded into our K3. We will do same for our K6 because earlier I said I have only deviation for K3 and K6. So I choose my K6 deviation file. I click on OK. Then I repeat the same process for K3 to also load my deviation. And as earlier, how I showed the position of the wells, you can also display it to see after adding or loading the deviations into these two wells how they look like. So when I open it in 3D, I come back, then I tick these two wells. So after ticking these two wells, this is how my wells look like. You can also basically take all the wells, then look at the positions of the wells and look at how your wells look like. So this tells you that with the deviation that I'm having, this is how my well looks like in the subsurface. Thank you for joining, and in the next video we will talk about how to also load your well log data into your software. Bye.